Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited and I wanted to release this video as soon as I can. My CA sent me the prices for the drop 2 of Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama, and definitely I would want to share it to our family. So guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one to get easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @RamiraFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, firstly I want to say thank you to my CA for sending me all this information with prices. Thank you so much. To our fam here, if you find anything interesting here, you may send me a DM via Instagram and I will be happy to give you direct contact of my CA. Please be advised that all items are for pre-order and will be launched March 31st. All prices are in Philippine pesos and I will be linking everything on the description box below. Happy shopping guys! Let's start first with the flower collection for the LV x Yayoi Kusama collaboration. First, we have the Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama Capucines BB for 452K. Next, we have this very beautiful flower square 90 centimeters. Price is 29,700. Guys, what do you feel about the Yayoi Kusama x Louis Vuitton collaboration? I've been seeing a lot of videos and unfortunately they are not liking this. Me personally, I am loving this flower collection compared to the infinity dots, wherein later I'm going to share more. Next is we have the flower sleeveless leather jacket for 269K. Then of course, the pair of that very beautiful leather jacket, we have the Yayoi Kusama flower miniskirt for 74,500. I'm liking that the artwork is very minimal in this quote-unquote flower collection. Next, we have the flower ruffle trim wrap dress for 134K. Still in the flower collection, we have the Capucines BB for 190K. I love the cream color and the flower stands out on this very beautiful bag. We have it in black version, Capucines BB for 90K. This one definitely I would be choosing more over the cream color because of course I feel I would be able to use this more and more and I would feel that this is very easy to take care of. What do you think of this one guys? I love the flower detail. Like the first one, it stands out. Next, we have the infinity dot. So it's coming back in this drop 2 for Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama collaboration. First, we have the infinity dot square 45 centimeters for 17,600. Then we have the Infinity Dots t-shirt for 56K. Honestly, so as mentioned earlier, I am a bit more a fan and leaning towards the flower collection versus the Infinity Dots. Because like for example, with ready to wear, I feel that I could get any polka dot shirt versus the shirts that LV is currently selling to us with this collection. This one though is very beautiful design. We have the Infinity Dots zip-up dress, although the price guys, take note, 187K. The colorway of this Infinity Dots I'm so loving. So we have the Infinity Dots zip-up jacket for 187K. If I would be getting any ready-to-wear, then definitely I would be choosing more of a jacket because I feel I would be able to maximize and wear it over and over again. Then we have the Speedy Bandolier 20 196K in this very beautiful blue color, and we're going to see that it comes with the mushroom bag charm. What do you think of this one? I'm really actually surprised with the price. I kind of forgot like how much the red version is from the drop one. Then we have the Neo Noe BB 181K. So this one is made entirely of white epi leather with red dots. This one I'm not really a little bit of a fan because I feel it looks like a pimple mark. Again guys, this is just my opinion. I'm not wanting to offend anybody. Then we have of course the Alma BB for 154K in the white epi leather, and it comes with a very cute mushroom bag charm. This one, it's the same price from the drop one because I could clearly remember from the drop one I was also in love with the Alma BBs. Next, we have the Faces collection from the LV x Yayoi Kusama. So first, we have the Monogram Faces short for 79,500. This one, honestly, on my personal opinion, I'm not really familiar with the artwork of Yayoi Kusama with this kind of faces painting. How about you guys? Please, if you have any information, please comment down below. Next, still on the ready-to-wear, we have the Monogram Faces short sleeve shirt for 109K. Very playful, very kawaii, I would say. And then we have the embroidered phrases cargo short for 210K. Wow, this is again just a little bit expensive for my taste for this kind of cargo short pants. What do you think, guys? Next, we have the embroidered phrases cargo pants for 71,500. So that's confusing to me a little bit because this is a cargo pants and it's only priced at 71,500. And the shorts, guys, it's super expensive. What do you think? Then we have the embroidered faces t-shirt for 109K. Is it because if it's a menswear ready-to-wear pieces, it's a little bit more expensive compared to the women's wear ready-to-wear? Guys, kindly comment down below if you have any information why the men's ready-to-wear pieces are more expensive. Then we have a technical casual button-down shirt under the Faces collection. This one currently, unfortunately, I don't have any prices for you. Then we have the embroidered Faces varsity jacket for 355K. Wow. So what can I say? So it's a regular looking varsity jacket with the Yayoi Kusama artwork. Again, for my taste, it's a little bit expensive. Let's move on to some bags. We have the Keepall 50 for 284K. So in this very beautiful color. And again, we have the Faces embroidery or painting on the entirety of the bag. We have the Maxi Bum Bag for 197K. So if you guys are looking for a Louis Vuitton bum bag, then maybe you may want to check this out. If you're not a fan of the Yayoi Kusama collaboration, I believe you can get this in the regular monogram canvas. Then we have the Weekend Tote for 250K. So I love the Weekend Tote. Unfortunately, the price for this one, I feel it's a little bit more expensive. Then we have the pocket backpack for 279k. So honestly guys, I would not want to offend anybody here, but on the entire Yayoi Kusama collaboration, I'm not really a fan of the Faces mini collection on this LVX Yayoi Kusama collab. Then we have the Sun Print Buckle Sleeve t-shirt for 89,500. Sun Patch t-shirt for 74,500. Fish Patch Buckle Sleeve t-shirt for 74,500. Then we have the Faces Patches Zip Up Hoodie for 127k. Faces Patches Crop Hoodie for 112k. Next, we have the Faces Patches Bustier, 134k. What do you think of this one, guys? I feel this one, it's not worth it for this price. Then we have the Faces Patches Jeans for 187k. Next, we have the Faces Patches Fitted Denim Jacket for 209k. I'm not really sure if this is just an embroidery sewn onto the shirt. Then we have the Faces Zip Up Dress for 239k. Next, we have the Faces A-Line Mini Skirt, 164k. Then we have the Faces Print Self-Tie T-shirt for 74,500 pesos. We have the Faces Print Self-Tie T-shirt for 63,500 pesos. Faces Pajama Pants for 112 pesos. 112k that is. Then we have the Faces Square 90 centimeters for 29,700. Let's move on to some more bags. We have the Alma BB for 158k. So this one, definitely I would be choosing the other design versus the Faces collection. What do you think of this one, guys? So as you're going to see, there is a large fish in the middle of the bag. Then we have the Capucines MM for 565k. So again, maybe it's because maybe I'm not just familiar with this kind of artwork from Yayoi Kusama. That's why for me, I'm not really appreciating this collection. Then we have the Speedy Bandolier 25 for 162k. So for me, like for example, you are going to see the face in the middle. Honestly, it's like I'm not really liking it, to be honest. What do you feel about this Bandolier 25, guys? Please comment down below. Then we have the On The Go MM 226k. So maybe if I would be choosing any of the two, I would be choosing the fish versus the smiling face. What do you think, guys? Then we have the pumpkin collection for the LVX Yayoi Kusama. This one, guys, I love this collection so much. So we have the Cotville 40 for 810k Philippine pesos. So hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So I'm not really sure if you could choose from any of these two colors, but if for example I could choose, I would be choosing the blue pumpkin. How about you guys? And then we have the Coffret accessories for 755k. So again, comes in two different colorways. We have the bluish pumpkin and we have the green red pumpkin. Then we have the Mock Courier Lazine 110 for 4,180,000 Philippine pesos. Wow, wow, wow. Super, super expensive, but definitely if you are a collector of Yayoi Kusama artwork, you may want to check this out. Now let us check out some ready to wear. So we have the all over pumpkin denim jacket for 167K, like this one. Then we have the pumpkins printed t-shirt for 44,200. This one I like, very, very subtle. And you know, you would know that this is a Yayoi Kusama. This one I am not a fan. So it's an all over pumpkin crew neck for 57K. Then we have the all-over pumpkin cargo short for 71,500. Maybe it would be better if you're going to get the shirt and the short together. Then we have the all-over pumpkin jacket for 152K. How cool if we would also get this one together with the two. Then we have the Horizon 55 for 218K. Love the blue pumpkin. Then we have the Gaston wearable wallet for 128K. So this one is like a mini toiletry pouch with a pumpkin bag charm. I've tried that one on the store. Then we have the Pochette Voyage. This one is 71,500. Surprisingly, the price is lower compared to other collection. Then we have the Weekend Tote for 204K. In the monogram Eclipse, again with the blue pumpkin colorway. Next, we have the Trio Messenger for 176K. I'm not really sure that if it would still come with the zip pouch, or maybe the pumpkin is the zip pouch already. Then we have the Maxi Bomb Bag for 151K. So like what I mentioned, as you're going to see, this is better compared to the Faces collection. What do you think, guys? Next, we have Keepa 55 for 189K. Monogram Eclipse with the blue pumpkin colorway. Then we have the Keepa 25 for 150K. So this one, I like that it comes with the Eclipse monogram bag tag as well. Then we have the Keepa 45 in the classic monogram for 182K. Also comes with the untreated vachetta leather. Again, different colorway of the pumpkins if you are going to notice. Then we have the Horizon 55 for 218K with the orange colorway pumpkin. Next, we have the Felici Pochette for 198K in the classic monogram with the orange pumpkin colorway. Next, we have the Bulon for 162K classic monogram. I like that it comes with the gold chain and of course comes with the untreated vachetta. We have the Neverfull MM for 151K. Again, classic monogram with the orange colorway pumpkin. Next, we have the Speedy Bandolier 20 for 143K. Then we have the On The Go MM for 211K with the classic monogram and untreated vachetta leather. Next, we have the On The Go PM, same price, 211K. Then we have the Pumpkin Square 90 centimeters for 28,300 pesos. So what did you think of the Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama Drop 2? By the way, guys, if you do not have any CAs, my CA mentioned that all of these items are available only via pre-order because it would be released in very limited quantity. So please let me know if you need a CA here in Louis Vuitton Greenbelt, and definitely I would want to recommend you to my CA. So hope you enjoyed our episode for today. So again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @RamiraFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!